If you got your skis ready, your winter gear packed, and your vehicle prepped for the mountain. But here's the thing. Throwing your expensive equipment on top of your car without proper protection, that's asking for trouble. Whether you're heading to the slopes for the first time or you're a seasoned rider, picking the right ski rack can make the difference between a safe trip and a $1,000 mistake. We tested 5 of the best ski racks on the market, and I'm breaking down exactly which one you need based on your situation. So let's dive in. Number 1. BougeRV Lockable Ski and Snowboard Racks. Let's kick things off with what might be my favorite bang-for-your-buck option here. The BougeRV Lockable Ski and Snowboard Rack with the sliding extension and crab mounting system. And honestly, when you see the price tag, you might think there's a catch. There kind of isn't, but we'll get to that. Here's what makes this one special. That crab mounting system isn't just marketing speak. The 3-point mounting design creates a grip that's noticeably stronger than standard rectangular mounts. I've tested racks that felt like they'd slide off at a sharp turn. This one doesn't. It grips with intention. The specs: hold 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards, 28-inch width, aluminum frame construction that handles rust and corrosion like a champ. The ultra-soft, hollow rubber bars won't mark your equipment even when it's freezing outside and the rubber gets stiff. Installation straightforward. Tool-free setup, works with square, round, arrow, and oval crossbars. Most people can get this mounted in under 30 minutes their first time. Now, the thing about this rack, and I want to be straight with you, the sliding mechanism is an extra moving part. That means more maintenance in extreme wet or cold climates. If you live somewhere that sees regular snow mixed with ice melt, you might need to clean the sliding tracks occasionally. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to know. The upside, even with that minor maintenance, the price stays under $300. That's exceptional. Number 2, Leader Accessories Car Ski Snowboard Racks. Right, so let me hit you with something. The Leader Accessories Dual Pack comes with 2 complete racks. 2! And you're paying less for both of them than you'd pay for a single premium rack. Each rack holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. The construction is what you'll notice first. Heavy-duty metal hook lock system. Everything is metal where it matters. Not plastic clips, not weak aluminum clamps. Actual metal that feels substantial when you're installing it. The rubber grips won't mark your equipment. The mechanism is glove-friendly with large push buttons. The anti-theft lock system provides solid security. And because this is aluminum construction, it handles extreme cold without becoming brittle like cheaper alternatives can. What makes this genuinely compelling, though, Amazon reviews are consistently strong. People are reporting durability through multiple seasons. Families are buying 2 and keeping them on different vehicles. The value proposition is hard to argue with. You're essentially getting 1 rack for free compared to buying them separately elsewhere. Installation's simple. Everything is tool-free. Most people get both mounted in 45 minutes total. The move? If you have multiple vehicles and need to equip them, if budget is a real factor, if you want proven durability and straightforward reliability, grab this. Just make sure your crossbars are compatible first. Number 3, KUAT Ski Snowboard Racks. We're moving into the premium segment now. The KUAT Grip 6. If the previous options are smart purchases, this one is the luxury choice. And I'm saying that knowing full well what luxury means here. KUAT doesn't make budget products. They make products for people who thought about this enough to care about the engineering. The KUAT Grip 6 is their statement on what a ski rack should be. The capacity is solid, 6 pairs or 4 snowboards, but it's everything else that justifies the higher price. Start with that innovative slide-out tray. The lower section extends outward. You're loading skis at your chest height, not stretching to the sky. It's the same benefit as the BougeRV we talked about, but executed with different mechanics. The grip lock system uses individual rubber teeth that wrap around each ski individually, not a continuous bar. Each tooth means each ski is cradled separately. That prevents one ski from shifting and throwing off the whole load. Road vibration testing shows this design keeps your equipment locked tight and jiggle-free. The premium build is obvious. Metal outer shell, gloss metallic powder coat finish. This rack looks like it costs what it costs. It matches modern vehicles aesthetically. The flip mount system works with round, square, and arrow crossbars. Both the grip lock and flip mount are fully locking with included keys. Now, what's the trade-off? The price. $400 is real money. This rack isn't for someone looking for their first option. This is for the person who's done their research, knows they want the best, and is willing to pay for it. Number 4, VEVOR Ski and Snowboard Rack. All right, here's where we get aggressive on value. The VEVOR Dual Pack comes in at under $180 for 2 complete racks. That's less than a single premium option. I'm going to be honest about what you're getting here because value sometimes means trade-offs. The aluminum alloy construction is solid. Rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, handles cold weather. The rubber padding is thick and protective. The semi-cylindrical design is aerodynamic, less wind drag, less noise. These aren't budget materials that feel cheap. They're legitimate aluminum components at a fraction of the cost of premium alternatives. The anti-theft lock system with 2 keys included is a genuine security feature, not an afterthought. The large button design works with gloves. Real-world testing shows these racks handling 90+ miles per hour speeds with gusting 60 to 80 mile per hour winds without any issues. One reviewer reported taking these on a 700-mile highway journey in extreme conditions and having 0 problems. Here's the consideration, though. The aerodynamic design is smart for wind noise reduction, but the capacity is genuinely lower than larger competitors. If you're regularly hauling 6 pairs of skis, this isn't the fit. You'd need 3 units instead of 2, but for singles, couples, or small families, this covers it. The pricing is honestly the biggest story here. Under $90 per rack when you're buying 2. That's objectively cheap, and it doesn't feel cheap. That's the win. You're not compromising on materials or safety. You're just skipping the premium brand markup.
Number 5. Thule SnowPack Ski/Snowboard Rack. The Thule SnowPack Large holds 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. The capacity is the same as some cheaper alternatives, but everything else is worlds different. The construction is where Thule earns that reputation. Corrosion-resistant aluminum arms, ultra-soft rubber padding, precision engineering at every junction. The smart vertical spring system is genuinely innovative. It adjusts to accommodate all thicknesses of skis and snowboards. More importantly, it reduces in height when the rack is unloaded. That lowers the center of gravity and reduces drag when you're driving without gear. It's the kind of engineering detail that separates premium from everything else. The aerodynamic design keeps wind noise minimal. The oversized push button works perfectly with gloves. The extension feet raise the carrier for tall bindings, protecting both your equipment and your roof. Installation is tool-free with SpeedLink mounting or T-Track hardware, giving you compatibility with basically every crossbar system on the market. Now, the real consideration here, the price. $400 is substantial. This isn't a first-time purchase for casual skiers. This is for someone who's thought about quality, understands durability, and is willing to invest in something that'll perform flawlessly for over a decade. People who own Thule snowpacks report them working perfectly after 5, 10, sometimes 15 years of use. Skiers who've tried cheaper alternatives and then switched to Thule say the difference is undeniable. No rattling, no shifting, no surprises on the highway. Head down to the description box. All the Amazon links are there with current pricing. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.